In this video, we'll look at relationships. So, employee and organization has two different entities, uh, and if an employee works in an organization, there's a relationship that it's going to build. So, organization will have multiple employees, mean one or many. So, we call it a has a relationship. A company will have employees, and there's something called is a relationship. So, cat. Uh, is an animal, dog is an animal. So the common features of cat and dog, barking, sorry, so barking is specifically for dog. So walking, drinking, all these things are common. And we put in a software world, we put it as a is a parent entity. So we call it parent, and the child ones are cat and dog here. So basically, inheritance means we are inheriting certain features from the animal entity to the child ones. So when it comes to inheritance in Python, the syntax is we have our parent class, okay, and we have the constructor, and we have the methods, the things that the parent can do, and using this parent like this inside this bracket, we are inheriting it and creating a child class. Likewise, we can keep on creating child classes. So for this particular example, we'll see this structure. We have a employee as the parent, and there are two child classes, salary and hourly. And from this child class, there's another child of this class, which is commission employee. So parent, child, and for this child, there's another child. That's how this relationship goes on. And employee, there are two children inherited from employee, and there is a commission employee which is inherited from this one, so child. So here, few concepts we learn. We'll learn how now we have these features or behavior of the parent class, and we have a different behavior in the child class. So let's say we want to call, we want to give this different behavior. This we use the same signature, and we write the code. So this is called basically overriding. Okay, then let's say we want to call the logic that's already in the parent class. We don't want to rewrite it. Then we use the method called super. Then it will call the parents one, and we can add the additional logic in the child. Then so this is the concept of overriding and how we can use the super. So in the constructors also we can use this super method to call the parents constructor. In this case, the salary, this one, and from here it calls its parent. Here it goes here. So likewise, the super will lead to the its parent, and it will lead to the its parent. Then talk about this relationship. Let's say the company has a relationship to employees, so we need to uh, use that and write a program. So we are importing using this keyword from employee. We are referring to this file and import these child classes that we are defined. And here what we are doing is simply writing the company class, and we are iterating using a for loop the employees and printing their salary using their own logic. In their subclasses, their own logic we are using to calculate their pay. So we are iterating them, and if we run, what will happen is, okay, the individual salaries and logic has been executed. So this way, here the company has a relationship between the employees, one or many employees. So inheritance we talked within this employee classes, and the relationship between the entities we can describe by the company and employee.